Be ready for the dictation. Start. This appeal, filed by the appellant Arvind Kejriwal, assails the judgment and order dated 9 April 2024, passed by the single judge of the High Court of Delhi, whereby the criminal writ petition filed by Arvind Kejriwal under Articles 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India, read with Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, challenging his arrest by the Directorate of Enforcement, vide the arrest order dated 21 March 2024 on the ground of violation of Section 19 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and the proceedings pursuant thereto, including the order of remand dated 22 March 2024 to the custody of Directorate of Enforcement passed by the special judge has been rejected. At the outset, we must clarify that this is not an appeal against refusal or grant of bail. Instead, this appeal impugns the validity of arrest under Section 19 of the PML Act. It raises a pivotal question regarding the scope and ambit of the trial court public courts to examine the legality of the arrest under Section 19. The issue is legal in nature, and with the ratio being propounded in detail, the decision becomes complex and legalistic. On 17 August 2022, the Central Bureau of Investigation registered for the offences punishable under Section 120B, read with Section 477A of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and Section 7 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. The registration was based on a complaint dated 20 July 2022 made by the Lieutenant Governor of the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi and on the directions of the competent authority conveyed by the Director, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Later on, 25 November 2022, the CBI filed a charge sheet. Thereafter, on 25 April 2023 and 8 July 2023, two supplementary charge sheets were filed. On 15 December 2022, the special court took cognizance of the offences. The charge sheets inter alia allege that the excise policy framed for the sale of liquor in NCT of Delhi was a product of criminal conspiracy. It was hatched by a cartel of liquor manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers, and it provided undue pecuniary gain to public servants and other accused in the conspiracy. It resulted in huge losses to the government exchequer and ultimately to the public. Arvind Kejriwal is not an accused in the said charge sheets. On 22 August 2022, the Directorate of Enforcement recorded based on offences detailed under the RC registered by CBI. The offences under the RC are the predicate offence for investigation oblique inquiry into the scheduled offences under the PML Act. On 26 November 2022, the Directorate of Enforcement filed the first prosecution complaint. On 20 December 2022, the special court took cognizance. Since then, the Directorate of Enforcement has filed seven supplementary prosecution complaints. In the last complaint, that is the seventh supplementary prosecution complaint dated 17 May 2024, Arvind Kejriwal has been named as an accused